Hey guys, we got another box break for Jadiez1000. We got 2011 Bowman Platinum Baseball. No, I don't think there's a box number on this. Let's just see. It's sealed up. Alright, well, here we go. I think you get 3 hits per box, a relic, and 2 chrome autographs. And we're going to start out with an X-Fractor, Jadiez1000, and base. We had a Super Fractor 101 Tyler Skaggs pulled out of this the other day. Got another X-Fractor. Leon Landry. Those aren't numbered. And base. Another X-Fractor. Eduardo Escobar. It's 3 in 3 packs. Base. Is there a checklist in this pack? Ryan Braun Gold. Jeff Dagger Prospect. Brandon Beachy on the back. Buster Posey Gold. Not numbered. Jimmy Paredes Prospect. Brandon Beachy. That pack did not want to open. Cody Scarpetta. Not numbered. Schaefer Hall, X-Fractor. He's a good one. Aroldis Chapman. Cole Hamels Refractor. Cito Culver. It's a good one too. Caleb Cowart, X-Fractor, also another good one. Michael Pineda. Still looking for that first autograph. Starlin Castro, Jake McGee, Emerald, rookie, not numbered. Jerickson Profar, prospect. Mike Fontenot, Wicks, Refractor. Evan Longoria, Emerald. Jake Marsnick, prospect. This is the relic. Put that over there. Jose Iglesias, prospect. Good one. Brandon Belt, rookie. Otto Jimenez, gold. Carlos Perez, prospect. Still need 2 autographs. Jeremy Hellickson. Oh. Garrett Richard, green, number to 599. Derek Jeter, gold. Jacob Gilbert, prospect. 30 packs, you've had 2 autographs. Yep, here's your first one. We got Cody Scarpetti, autograph. I'm gonna guess it's in the last pack. Mark Trumbo and Hank Conger, 2 Angels. Good players. Should be in this one. And it is. We got Jordan Pacheco. It's actually a good one to have. He's pretty good right now. And this should be your patch. Super thick. Yes, it is. Christian Colon, X-Fractor. That's a good one. And Juan Martinez, relic autograph. 1166. This one's packed with cards. Jeez. But yeah, man, that's it. Give you a little recap of the hits. You did get 3. The Cody one's a pretty good one to have. Got Juan Martinez, jersey autograph, number 1166. Then you got Cody Scarpetti, prospect autograph. And Jordan Pacheco? Yeah, I want to check the spelling on that one. But yeah, alright buddy. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.